How to enable automatic app updates on the Google Play Store. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up this step. Open up the Play Store app, and then after you reach here, tap on the profile picture at the top right. Now, after this menu appears, from the given menu, go to Settings. And after you head over to Settings, select Network Preferences. Drop it down. And then after you drop it down, you'll be finding an option called Auto Update Apps. Tap on it. And then after you tapping on it, what you can do is, in order to enable the automatic app updates, select Update over Wi-Fi only, or select the first option, which is Update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once that is done, if you are connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile data, and if any kind of update is available to any applications on your device, it will automatically update itself. So that is it for now. That is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.